Hi guys, today we're going to create this Christmas decoration made out of the Preciosa seed beads, and we're using the same technique as we used in the previous video, which I'll link up on top of the video right now so you can go check that out. You're also going to need a styrofoam cone and some soft felt, which I've purchased off of Amazon, and you're also going to need a whole heap of pins that we are going to poke into the styrofoam to hold the fabric into place. Wrap your fabric around the cone and just form it into place. As you can see, I've cut the fabric slightly bigger than the actual cone so it overlaps slightly, and we can hold that all in place using the pins. To create a sharper point at the top of the cone, I've just folded up a bit of tissue paper, which I'm going to place inside the cone here where you can see the gap. Just place that in there and secure it in with a couple of pins. Now for the fun part. We're going to stack the cone with these seed bead bracelets which I've created previously. I've created them in lots of different sizes so that they stack up on the cone perfectly. I'm going to start stacking the bracelets onto the cone, and then I'm going to hold them in place using some pins. Now that we've completed stacking all of the bracelets onto the cone, I'm going to finish off this Christmas tree with a cute little angel, and we've created this angel using one of our projects at bluestreakcrystals.com. You can find that under the projects section. I have switched up the bead slightly, so I'm using a Serenity Helix bead in Golden Shadow and a bicone in Golden Shadow also. You can find all the details of what you need to create this angel down below in the description box, so do check that out. I had so much fun creating this, and we can't wait to see how you got on, so don't forget to tag us on Instagram and TikTok at Bluestreak Crystals. See you next time!